Did I left my garage door open? If you ask yourself the same question every day when you leave to work, so you're not alone. Just like me, there is so many people out there with the same question every single day. Why? Because we do things automatically. We do things and we tend to forget. And locking the garage door, just pressing the remote button, it's something that you do automatically. Basically just like pressing the remote to unlock your car. It's something that we forget, and honestly, most of you guys, just like me, you want to make a U-turn just to be on the safe side. Make sure that your garage is locked. Now, in this video today, I came with the perfect solution so all of you guys can rest assured that your garage is locked and you are on your way. The solution coming up next. Stay tuned. Okay guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kobe and I'm with Silver Eagle Locksmith Las Vegas YouTube channel. If you want to learn about home security related stuff and do it yourself, learn from a professional locksmith and consider subscribing. And also take the bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, with this out of the way. Nowadays, with all the new home automation gadget, there is the perfect product. It's called Nexx Garage. So the Nexx Garage, basically, it's a Wi-Fi garage remote controller that will allow you to download an app and basically remote control your garage from anywhere in the world. You can be in an island, a remote island somewhere, doesn't matter. And also you can be in another city. You can be in New York. You can be in Italy? Really? You can basically be anywhere in the world, no matter where, as long as you have internet connection and you're using the app. Basically, you can remote access your garage, you can open it remotely, you can see if your garage is locked or open, and you will get push notification through your smartphone. And also, one of the best options with this remote controller, it will allow you to program it to lock automatically after a certain amount of minutes. So basically that way, even if you forgot to lock it with your smartphone and you basically were distracted like always, your garage will lock automatically, even if you forgot to do so. And on top of it, it will send you notification. So that product is my recommendation, and that's what I installed in my house. Now, I also share a link down below where you can purchase it and also read review. And there is another link right after that that will show you guys all the list of the garage motors that basically can work with the Nexx Garage Wi-Fi controller. And there is another test. If you don't find your actual garage motor in that list, there is a test that you can do to check if your motor will work with this product. I'll also share that video to show you how to make the test. It's very simple, takes only a minute, coming up right now. Okay, so to check if your garage opener is compatible with the Nexx Garage, what you will need to do is to use a small test wire and locate where the wire is coming from the ceiling. And in my case, they're right here. So you will need to touch both connectors and see if your garage is activated. Yep. Works just fine. And that's it. That's how you make the test. And mine is compatible. You can do the same test for you guys. Make sure that your garage opener is compatible with this awesome product. Okay, so now you know how to check if your garage opener will work with this awesome product. And basically, guys, installation, it's also very simple. There is instruction link right below in the description, and also share some videos in the description as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions about this product, please just write a comment down below. I'm always happy to hear your concern and questions anytime. Make sure to like my video. That's really helping to YouTube algorithm. Don't forget, smash that like button. And also, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And don't forget to take the bell so you don't miss anything. And guys, also share a link of my previous videos about the Schlage & Co. Smart Wi-Fi deadbolt, and also about how you can fix a door that doesn't latch. And I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much.